Welcome to DeVinci Cast Stone, where our quick ship fireplace surrounds allow you to effortlessly make your dreams a reality. Please enjoy this quick installation video. Although our styles vary greatly, they are comprised of various combinations of similar components. Starting from the bottom, our quick ship fireplace surrounds include a three-piece hearth, bottom, sides, and top filler panels, and the main components, which are two legs, and a mantel shelf and header. Your firebox is the structure which contains the actual fire. Our surrounds are compatible with most any type of firebox that is used in residential or commercial applications. In preparation for the build, lines are lightly scribed in the wall, identifying the location of the center line of the firebox and the center of all wall studs located within the unit's profile. Throughout the build, the majority of the components are individually secured to the wall using mastic and mounting brackets. Whenever possible, mounting brackets are attached to the wall at stud locations. Whenever studs are not accessible, mounting brackets are attached to the wall using toggle lock heavy-duty drywall anchors. Dimensions and placements are provided on the installation drawings for individual units. All quick ship units are shipped with a three-piece hearth. The customer may use or discard these stones depending upon their desired application. The hearth or floor upon which the surround is mounted must be level and stable. DeVinci's 20-inch hearths are designed to meet or exceed International Code Council requirements. The installer is responsible for checking and adhering to local code requirements. One of the unique designs of the quick ship fireplace surrounds is that the legs and mantel overlap the filler panels, allowing for quick and easy adjustment to a range of firebox sizes. These units are packaged with 5 filler panels. When necessary, these panels are modified in width or height using a saw or grinder with a diamond blade. Fireplace surrounds are assembled from the bottom up. The next component installed would be the bottom filler panel if one is used. In some applications, it is used to cover the area between the floor or hearth and the firebox, or serve as an ash stop. In others, it is not used and discarded. 1/4 inch of grout spacers are placed on the floor or hearth below the outside edges of the firebox. It is centered on the wall, resting on the grout spacers, and leveled. At the top of the panel at both outside edges, it is secured to the wall using J-brackets. Next come the right and left side filler panels. Each is installed with its inside edge aligned with the firebox, and its bottom edge secured within the J-bracket holding the bottom panel. The top of each is secured to the wall using a J-bracket. The last of the filler panels to be installed is the top panel. It is centered on the wall with its bottom edge secured within the J-brackets holding the side filler panels. The top is secured to the wall using a Z-bracket at each end. The next components to be installed are the legs. Leg and mantel brackets is installed at the hearth or floor. The bottom of each leg is slotted to accommodate the toe of the leg and mantel mounting brackets. The legs are set in place with their bottom slot fitting over the mounting bracket. At the top of each leg, it is secured to the wall with a leg and mantel bracket. The last component installed is the mantel shelf and header. Both ends of the mantel shelf and header are slotted to accommodate the toe of a leg and mantel mounting bracket. The mantel shelf header is centered on the wall and lowered in place with its slots fitting over the leg and mantel brackets. Some mantel shelf header styles require an additional cleat to be installed. Grout is then installed in all stone-to-stone gaps in the unit. Both sides of all grout joints are taped using painter's tape. At areas where the surround meets the wall, the edges may be caulked. The easiest and best way to apply grout is through the use of a grout bag. Using a grout bag enables you to insert the grout well into the joint, filling any voids between components. 2 courses of grout are applied. The first course is applied and worked back into the joint, approximately 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch, with a tuck-pointing trowel or similar tool. A second course is applied, leaving it standing out from the joint. When the grout has sufficiently cured, it is pressed level to the joint, and then, when almost dry, it is shaved back level with the tape. The tape is then carefully removed, and the joints are lightly brushed with a horsehair brush or small piece of carpet. We're sure that you will agree that the finished product is a timeless and enduring work of art. It would enhance the appearance, if not the value, of any home or office. DeVinci Cast Stone owners and team of skilled artisans take great pride in the quality of our products, knowing that great homes and offices in the United States and around the world display the beauty that their workmanship has created. Thank you for taking the time to view our informational video. If you would like more information on DeVinci Cast Stone products, please visit our website. You can download a PDF version of the install procedure that you have just viewed.